I think every sport should be prioritized because we want to give our students the best opportunities for whatever they choose to do. I think we have one of the best courts around here. Compared to what we had last year or a couple years ago, there's a lot of dead spots here, so whenever we hit the ball would just stop or it would just like curve off to somewhere else because of a crack. But now it's in really good shape and you can just hit through the ball. You don't have to worry about a crack or a dead spot. You can just hit it wherever you want, and you don't have to worry about tripping over any cracks or stumbling. It's a nice finishing touch with the nice fencing, with the wind stoppers. So it's a really good touch to what we used to have. I've been playing tennis for about 12 years now. It was the sport that my parents got me into. I don't know, tennis was just something that I just got a hold of in the beginning and I stuck through it. It gives us inspiration for kids like me and kids across the country and across the world. With this finished look and with this new and improved courts, I think it entices younger students to come and try to take on a new sport.